Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can connect Figma to our Claude AI account. So for that, head over to your browser, type in Claude AI, and simply get logged into your Claude AI account. As you can tell that I'm using a free plan. So let's go ahead, find the Figma in our connectors. For that, select your initial on your bottom left-hand side. As you do that, you will see a settings button, select settings. Now from this section, select Connectors. Under Connectors, you will see Browse Connectors. Select Browse Connectors. You will see everything that you can connect to, including Figma, Gmail, whatever you would like. Now select this Figma, select the plus button. Now you're going to have to simply sign in to your Figma account. So type in your email address and password, then select Login. Now, depending upon the region that you are residing, this might be a paid plan. So if you are using a trial account, this could be some days free for you, but generally in most cases, you might require a paid account if you would like to connect to Figma. If you already have a paid account, you can go ahead, use Figma and connect it to your Claude AI. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thanks for watching.